different cultures can be experienced through food, and so we want to raise her where she's experiencing the world and experiencing all different types of cultures through new food.
이거 뭐죠? 사랑이다.
Whoa!
Sarang just loves to eat everything. Whenever we introduce her to new foods, she's very adventurous and she's willing to try it. And she seems to have just a strong palate. Like, we were surprised how well she can take spicy, how well she eats lemons. And so I think she's just a very adventurous person who loves to eat. Appa. And she's so sweet. She always wants everyone who's with her to eat also. She doesn't want to eat by herself, so she's always sharing. The way food brings us joy is that it really allows us to spend family time together and to really connect. I feel like as a dad, I've been able to really, thank you, really spend a lot of time with my daughter